Then Nyashanu Mofu Munjeri says, why is Mbira still not accepted in church when Wosho and Ngoma are accepted? Okay, I mentioned this book earlier on, written by Professor Mozichkowero. This book explains that point very well. In Zimbabwe, when we were colonized by the British, that's the time also Christianity came. And for the simple reason that Mbira was used during Mbira ceremonies, it was banned from churches, or it was very much discouraged. In fact, the way the gospel was preached in Zimbabwe and most parts of Africa, it was like they were telling people that everything African was demonic. Even if you had a Shona name or Ndebele name, you were forced or encouraged to have what they called a Christian name, which means an English name.
Messi Bausheth, I Bausheth, Messi Rocket Bausheth, Mauchi.
So everything African was despised. And as a result, up to now, Mbira is not accepted in church. But I need to point out one thing. If you read European music history, there was a time where they used to have what they called Gregorian chants. That was a type of a genre of music that they used to sing, which was just vocal. Hallelujah. And they banned all the instruments because they were also used in rituals. So even the Western instruments that you play, the keyboards, the organ, and everything, one time they were also banned from the church because they were also used during rituals.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it.